Are you ready to unlock massive savings? In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Cloudways coupon codes, promo codes, and discounts. It's super easy, and I'm here to walk you through every step. Step 1. Head over to the website promoserver.net or simply click the link I've dropped in the description and comments below. It's that easy to get started. Step 2. Browse through the available promo codes and pick the one that gives you the best deal. Whether you're looking for a Cloudways discount or special offer, there's something for everyone. Step 3. Apply the code at checkout, and just like that, enjoy huge savings. Don't miss out on these amazing discounts. Cloudways makes cloud hosting easier and more affordable, and with these promo codes, you're getting even more value for your money. Take advantage of these incredible offers today and save big on your next Cloudways purchase. You deserve the best deals, and I'm here to help you get them. Hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to grab your Cloudways coupon code right now. The clock is ticking, so make sure you don't miss out on these fantastic discounts.